But our next award is for the Health and Wellbeing Award, and that's been sponsored by CTC Healthcare. The finalists in this category are Bentley, Construction Links Limited.
Very quiet.
The County Group. And Supported Community Business Special Needs Limited. So could I invite Vicky Bateman, Occupational Health Physiotherapist from CTC Healthcare, to the stage.
So this year it's been a privilege to visit all the businesses, and we're always hugely impressed in what we see and how much great practice we see within the businesses. It was a really tough category this year, and it was really difficult to determine a clear winner, as all the businesses are so different in what they deliver in terms of their business models, their finance, their staff, where they're at in their health and wellbeing strategies as well. So I'd just like to quickly say in the few minutes that I have, a quick something about all the different shortlists. So Supporting Community Business Special Needs Limited, Colin and his team, they do such a great job there. And they basically provide a therapeutic workshop for people with learning disabilities and learning difficulties to give them the opportunity to work in a normal environment, really. When we visited there, we came out feeling really, really inspired, and it was such a fun and happy place to work in, and they treat their staff so well there. Bentley as well, they were the winners of last year's award. They currently have over 4,000 staff working for them, and again it's such a difficult task to keep the staff in work, especially when they're doing a lot of manual repetitive work. And I just want to give credit to the occupational health department at Bentley, because they do such a great job, and we work quite closely beside them on a day-to-day basis. Their MSD, their musculoskeletal disorder absence management, is continuously improving as well. And I'd just like to give credit to Claire, Candy, Cheryl and Karen and the rest of the occupational health team there as well. County Insurance as well, Tim Crichton and his team. Again, another great company to work for. When we visited, it was such a great atmosphere. Everyone seems to love their job. You know, they get extended lunch hours to go out and exercise, shower facilities, the whole lot really, and they're continuously expanding as a business. And in terms of their health and wellbeing strategy as well, that's continuously developing, and there's some exciting stuff coming up next year to improve the health and wellbeing of their staff as well. Construction Links as well, sorry, the final ones. Gareth Williams and his team, a property maintenance business covering all trades in the building industry. Again, Rick went to visit these guys and was extremely impressed in their current health and wellbeing strategy, but more so the plans that they have over the next year to develop this, keeping their staff in work as well. So again, just to reiterate, a very, very tough category this year, and we did find it really difficult. So I just want to thank everyone for taking the time out to complete the application form, and yeah, you're all deserving winners really. And the winner goes to the County Insurance Group.
So, how do you feel about winning this fantastic award tonight?
Privileged, to be honest. We do put a lot of time into looking after our employees. We look at it as one big team, you know, and beyond it being a working environment, we want it to be fun, obviously healthy, and want everybody to want to come into work and enjoy the opportunity that's before them. So, yeah.
Now, County's grown massively in recent years with acquisitions and everything. Has wellbeing always been a priority, or is that a relatively recent thing for you?
Well, I would think, yeah, it's been on the agenda all the way through. You know, from day one, it's been a fun environment, and you know, we do look beyond the duties of the team try and make it, you know, good for them all round. Yeah.
Anything you want to say about Nantwich Town?
Yes, I've got a vested interest. I'm also affiliated to Nantwich Town, so third in the league at the moment, so it's going pretty well. So please do come down and watch Nantwich Town, and sponsorship is always appreciated.
And you can also get your insurance and county as well. Well done.